Don't throw away orange peels anymore. Do this, and it's way better than Fanta. In a container, preferably a jar, add the juice of 2 oranges. Next, add the peel of both oranges. Then add 100 grams of sugar. And pour in about 1 to 1.5 liters of water. After that, mix it all very well. Now cover it with a cloth or lid and secure it tightly. Let it rest in a dark place, wrapped in cloth, for about 24 hours. After this time, strain everything through a funnel. If you prefer, use a sieve like I am to remove any residue. Next, squeeze the bottle to remove some air. And now, let's cap it. All set. Now wrap it again in a kitchen towel or cloth. Let it rest for about 3 more days, folks. After that, just open and enjoy. This natural soda is incredible, so delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug. See you next time, and thanks.